Ciao Marco. Come va?
Hey y'all, I come to talk about this girl that had my love. You see, I went away for a while and she gave my love away. And I really shouldn't blame her, but now that pussy is a stranger.
Baby, something's on my mind, I gotta say it. Yeah, your pussy done changed. It ain't the same, girl, and that's a shame.
A crying shame, baby.
Ooh, ain't being fun. I know another bee's been in that honey. Ooh, baby, that pussy done changed. It's such a shame, girl, and that's a shame. Who the hell you been giving my loving to, girl? Tell me where that pussy go. Yeah, 'cause it don't feel the same no more. That pussy, yeah.
How you do me like that, baby?
Why is this happening to me? She told me that it was my pussy, that pussy, good pussy,
That pussy.
yeah. She used to be a really special lady.
My everything.
I guess she's feeling kinda freaky lately. It's such a shame, 'cause now the pussy's changed. She used to squeeze me, grip me tight enough so she could please me. But now that pussy changed. It's such a shame, that pussy changed now. Where did your pussy go?
Where's that, baby?
'Cause girl, I need to know now. That pussy now. You see, it was on some old one-of-a-kind type shit, baby. I'm about to kill this bitch. She gave away all my shit. This pussy,
All my
new
shit.
pussy. I miss that old pussy. Yeah.
Dang, darling, do change your oil. I'm your #1 fan belt. They are not important. I don't use a cordless, a microphone to avoid them. They don't feel real to me. Me need real woman. Others built on me. You the primer on the line, being green box when I couldn't afford. Clean socks scooting across the floor in your grandmama house. Hand on your mouth. You yap too much about the penny Annie. This mechanic so uncanny. X-Men. Your ex-boyfriend should thank me that I took you off his hands. No, I can bring another beach to the sand. And no, I am well aware that you can bring a man to his knees and get what you need without saying please. But can you bring a man to his feet when defeat is on repeat and they gon' put this man Grammys on the street? What? Why so quiet? Hate that all of our memories happen in a Hyatt. You were perfect before you went on a diet. You was way thicker. You think I don't remember shit? The magazine got to your head. Now somebody you don't need, no, got you in bed. Bet you put it on need, no, you don't like red. It was the future. Fuck it, our future's dead.
I thought a pussycat had 9